Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is the shrimp squat tutorial. The shrimp squat is an advanced single leg squat, and it requires a lot of mobility in the ankles and hips. Our first variation will have us counterbalancing with both arms out in front of our body. When performing this movement, you want to make sure that you're sticking to a certain tempo. I like to do about 4 or 5 seconds on my eccentric, my downward phase. At the bottom, you want to slightly touch the knee without putting any body weight onto the ground. From there, you'll exhale and go back to the top with a 1-second pause and then repeat. The second variation of the shrimp squat will have you grabbing your back leg with the opposite arm. As the variations get harder, it'll begin to shift more weight to the back of your body, therefore requiring more mobility in your ankles and hips. Be sure to stick to the tempo, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning more ways to incorporate movement into your life. Our third variation will have you grabbing the back leg with the arm on the same side. And the hardest variation will have you using both arms to grab your back leg. When first attempting the shrimp squat, remember to have something soft under your knee. Practice this movement on a yoga mat, a tumbling mat, a blanket, whatever works. Be sure to check the description down below for Amazon affiliate links to the yoga mat that I'm using. Another helpful technique for learning the shrimp squat is to bring the knee to an elevated surface. In this case, I'm using my yoga blocks. Amazon links in the description down below. You can perform the shrimp squat with the yoga blocks on any variation, and you have all kinds of different height options available with the yoga block. Remember to barely touch the knee and then go back to the top. Be careful when practicing these movements, and as always, watch the videos that are up above to learn more ways to incorporate exercise into your everyday life. This is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.